Hi, my old friend. Hope you all are doing good and stay healthy. Good morning to all of you. This is the Monday morning coffee with technical analysis video. Date exists 31/5/2021. This is a video for educational purpose, not giving any buying or selling signal. Every Monday morning at 8 a.m. it uploaded in my channel. Always follow my channel and subscribe. And if you like this video, do like and share with your friends, and subscribe and press the bell icon to get the video notification instantly. And this video for short to long term trader, I analysis on two stocks, Austrocleland and Larsen and Toubro in this video for educational purpose. If anyone wants to buy or sell uh, on this video, I'm not recommending any buy sell signal. Please analyze within yourself with a chart, or you can consult with your financial advisor before taking any position. And if anyone wants to join my technical analysis course, you can feel free to join my technical analysis course also. You can learn from me also. Anyway, Austrocleland stock resistance is 144 and then 170 levels, support 116 and 105 levels, support. Larsen Toubro resistance 1547 and 1623, and then support is 1422 and then 1375. Let's go to chart. This is the Larsen Toubro chart. This is a weekly chart of this Larsen Toubro. You will see it's taking the support at around 1300 is a very good sign, and after the 1500 1550 falls, and last week a bar is a bullish bar, or bullish candle in candlestick formation, so it's looking good at this moment. Daily, there is a rounding bottom shape formation is happening with a 1300 support with a bottom formation, so it's looking good at this moment. 1422 and 1375 is a good support levels for Larsen and Toubro at this moment. 1545 and 1545 to 1500 1550 levels is the resistance, and 1623 at this moment is the Larsen and Toubro's two resistance levels for this at this moment. MACD rising and RSI at a bullish zone, and MACD curving in weekly, and 50 zone RSI takes support weekly and try to go to bullish zone again. So it's looking good at this moment. That is why I shared this chart, and Infa index also showing the strength. That is why I also select this chart to all of you, and hopefully this chart also this Larsen Toubro stock giving the good return in near short term to long term. So 1545 to 1500 1550, which I tell to all of you, 1547 is the resistance levels, and then 1623 and support levels is 1422 and 1375. These are the two support levels for Larsen and Toubro at this moment of time. So it's two stocks looking very good at this moment. That is why I shared this chart to all of you, with all of you. Next chart is Ashok Leyland. This is the Ashok Leyland chart. You all see this chart also looking good at this moment. Weekly bullish bar. Previous week and this week is a short corrective at this moment, but it's also looking good. This is the weekly chart and this is the daily chart. There is some correction may happen, but there is a support at 116 levels and 106 levels is the two support levels for this Ashok Leyland at this moment. And it's also showing some rounding bottom type of formation, and its target is 144 levels, and then above 144 levels when stay, then 170 levels is the next resistance level. So 144 first resistance and 170 is the second resistance levels at this moment for the Ashok Leyland. And 116 and 106 is the two support levels at this moment of time. And these two stocks are Larsen Toubro and Ashok Leyland looking good to me, and that is why I share these two stocks with all of you. If you follow my all Monday morning technical analysis, you can get the proof of my analysis, and hopefully you all benefited from my analysis too. Every Monday morning at 8 a.m. I uploaded this video in my channel. You can, if you subscribe, you can get the early notification and you can watch that and follow that all those analysis, and hopefully then you will benefited from this analysis too. And if you wants to join my technical analysis course, you can feel free to join my technical analysis course also. This video for educational purpose, and not giving any buying or selling signal here or recommendation here. If you want to trade on my video, please first consult with your financial advisor, or you can analyze the chart within yourself. If any problems arise, you can write down in comment box. I will try to help you. And thanking you to all of you again. So Ashok Leyland target 144 and then 170, or resistance you can say support 116 and 105 or 106 levels. And Larsen and Toubro resistance 115.47 and 16.23, support 1422 and 13.75. Please, if you benefited this channel, subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get the notification earlier, and like this video and share this video with all of your friends. And thanking you, always follow my channel, and thanking you to all of you again.